Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will show you how to rotate PDF pages and auto-rotate PDF pages using PDF.co and Make. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF with 5 pages and select the pages to rotate according to their specific angle. And we will fix the rotated PDF pages using the Auto-Rotate API. So, let's get started. First, log into your Make account and create a new scenario. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. And choose the Download a File module. Let's set up the Google Drive configuration. First, connect your Google Drive account. For the Enter a File ID field, let's choose the Select from the List option to see the available folders in Google Drive. For the File ID field, enter the specific folder where the file was stored. Now, let's add another module to automate the PDF rotate pages. Search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the Make an API call module. Now, let's connect out PDF.co account by adding the API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, add the Rotate PDF Pages endpoint. This endpoint can rotate selected pages or rotate the whole pages in a PDF document. Let's select the Upload file and inject as URL param option to automatically input files from Google Drive. Under the body param, for item 1 type angle for key and add the angle degrees value. The angle degrees values support 90, 180, 270. For item 2, type pages for key and add the list of the selected pages you'd like to rotate. The very first page start with 0. After setting up the configuration, run the scenario to see the result. The scenario runs successfully and returns a temporary URL. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's what the rotated pages looks like. We will now add another module to fix the rotated PDF pages. Let's add another module and select the PDF.co app. And choose to Make an API call module. Let's set up the Make an API call configuration. For the API endpoint path field, add the Auto-Rotate endpoint. This endpoint will fix rotated PDF pages in any position like sideways or upside down. For the Input type field, select Upload files and inject as URL param option so we can input files from PDF.co Make an API call result. For the Output file name field, enter your preferred PDF output name. Once you are done setting up the configuration, you may now run the scenario to see the result. We successfully run the scenario and fix the rotated PDF pages. Let's copy the URL and paste in the browser to view the output. Here's the rotated pages that we successfully fix using the Auto-Rotate PDF Pages API. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.